Scholars, let's work on some applications of rational equations. The first one we're going to, one of the is work-related type of problems. For example, if Jose can paint a house in 28 hours, while his brother Miguel can paint the same house in 36 hours, if they were to work together, how long will it take them to paint the house? Let's use common sense. If Jose can do it in 36 hours, I'm sorry, 28 hours, that means that he can complete in 1 hour, he can complete 1/28 of part of the work. 28 hours total per hour, 1/28. Likewise, Miguel, 36, that means in 1 hour, he completes 1/36 part of the house, of the work. If they decide to work together, let's say that it takes them 3 hours. Of course, in 1 hour would be 1/t. So what do we know? Jose's contributions plus Miguel's contribution has to equal to working together. In other words, everything boils down in solving the following equation: 1/28 plus 1/36 equals 1/t, and we solve for t. Okay. As always, every time we have a rational equation, right away LCD, the least common denominator. We need to find the LCD between 28, 36, and t. I'm going to be a little bit lazier or more practical. I'm just simply going to decide that the LCD is going to be the multiplication of 28 times 36 times t. So instead of actually multiplying, I'm going to leave it as is, because now I multiply each fraction by the LCD, 28 times 36 times t. Same here, 28 times 36 times t. Here, 28 times 36 times t. I didn't bother about multiplying the numbers, because look how easy it is. 28/28 equals to 1. So we have what? 36 times t times 1, 36t plus 36/36 is 1. So we have plus 28t equals t/t by. Now we can multiply 28 times 36, and that is 1008. Now if we combine like terms, I need some space here. I think I zoomed too much. If I if I add these two numbers, 36 plus 28, that would be 64. Let's continue into this. That means that 64t equals 1008. If I were to divide by 64, we may conclude that t equals 15.75 hours. Of course, how many minutes do we have in 1 hour? Well, 60 minutes. So if I take 0.75 times 60 will give me the number of minutes. So, or 15 hours, 45 hours, 45 minutes. Let's see. Why 45 minutes? This is going to be 0.75 times 60 minutes, which is, of course, 1 hour. So working together, the two brothers working together can finish the house in almost 16 hours, 15 hours, 45 minutes. versus Jose working by himself 28 hours, Miguel working by himself 36 hours. They partner together, they knock down the job in almost 16 hours. Thank you. Okay, let's try another example, very similar to the one we just finished. I'm sorry, I tried to share the file, share the screen, share the document. Okay. Okay, this is an example of the painting the house. Now I'm doing the second one here. Carrie can weed the garden in 7 hours, while her mother can do it in 3 hours. How long will it take if the two of them partner together? And the same thing. So washing elephants, Leah can do it in 3 hours. Ian can do it in 4 hours. So same thing. Pool, filling near the pool, 12 hours from pool. The other hose, 30 hours. If we were to connect the two hoses, how quickly can we fill in the pool? So same concept. So let's I believe with this carry one would be okay. So let me stop sharing so it'll be easier for okay. So if we recall, Carrie can weed the garden in 7 hours. That means that in 1 hour she will finish 1/10 of the work. Her mommy 3 hours. In 1 hour, 1/3 of the work, working together 1/t in 1 hour. And now we can just do the same thing. The LCD will be 7 times 3 times t, 21t. So we multiply by the LCD each side of the equation. So here I'm just going to write 21t, 21t, 21t. Of course, 21 divided by 7, that would be 3t plus 21 divided by 3, that would be 7t equals t over t by pi, so that will be 21. Last time we checked, 3 plus 7 is 10t equals 21. Therefore, t equals 21 over 10, or of course 2.1. Okay, so this will be, of course, 2.1 hours, which is the same thing as 2 hours, and 1/10 of an hour. We don't need a calculator for that. Of course, we have 60 minutes, so 1/10 will be 6 minutes. 2 hours, 6 minutes if the two of them partner together. That would be it. Thank you.